In today's tutorial class, I'll be showing you how to create AI videos like this using the new AI platform I just discovered, and it has various AI models like Seedance, Grok AI, Clink, you mentioned it. Now watch the videos I created using this platform.
Please eat, sir. God bless you.
The first step to take when creating videos like this is to generate your script, okay? So you go to your ChatGPT, then this particular prompt I'm using for this story, just do well to go through it, read it, then you can screenshot it and edit it to your taste, use it to create your own story, okay? So I just gave ChatGPT a story idea. I just put my story idea in the story generation part and use this other prompt to create it. Like, you can go through my prompts. I told ChatGPT to create the video prompt, the dialogue, the camera angles, the characters. Just pause it and go through that prompt and you'll see that this is a very good prompt for you to generate a very good story, okay? So even if you don't have any story idea that you want ChatGPT to do for you, you can tell ChatGPT to create a story for you, and it's just that. So as you can see, I already have my image prompt and my video prompt. It gave me different camera angles, the emotions, the dialogue, okay? So it gave me the image prompt, the video prompt for each scene. As you can see, look at it: image prompt, animation prompts, camera, emotions, dialogue, SFX, okay? So ChatGPT will do this for you for all your story scenes. Now that we have our story, our script ready, the next thing we're going to do is to head over to our platform so we can generate the image and the video. Now head over to your browser and type Wister.com. It will open into this platform. Then you make sure to sign in with your email, okay? Now this platform has video generation, video translation, products to video, lip sync, and image creation, okay? It has a lot of services to provide for you. Now let's tap on this image creation to create an image. Since we don't have an image, let's first create an image, then we'll create the video. First of all, make sure you put this site in desktop website, okay? So that's what I did there. Now I went over to this image creation and I tapped on it, okay? Now once you tap on it, you're going to scroll to your right. Then you see there's image generation and there's product display. We're going to be using this image generation aspect. Now we're going to be making use of our prompt. We'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt ChatGPT generated for our story. So we'll go to scene 1 and copy scene 1 image prompt, okay? This is it. So once you copy your image prompt, you head over back to the Wister.ai platform. I'm going to be pasting the prompt here. So once you paste your prompt, you're going to scroll down. You're going to select your aspect ratio, okay? Select your resolution, okay? Then you select your output. I need only one image, so I selected just one output, as you can see. So once you do that, you're going to tap on this generate, okay? So once you tap on it, immediately your image would get generated. It's not even up to 30 seconds or 60 seconds or 1 minute. Your image will get generated. Once your image gets generated, you're going to save it into your phone, okay? If you don't want to save it into your phone, you can just move further and just use it to create a video. If you look down, you're going to see generate video. You tap on that generate video, okay? It will open into this interface. Now look at the image, look at where the road prompt. We're going to be putting our video prompts in this box. That's the dialogue, okay? So we'll go back to ChatGPT. We'll copy both the animation prompt, the camera angles, the emotion, the dialogue. We'll copy everything together, okay? Once you copy it, you head back to the platform and paste your prompt in the prompt section, okay? Just follow this step. Now once you've pasted, you're going to see model. You tap on it. There's Clink, there's Seedance 1.5, Seedance 2.0, there's Clink 3.0. I selected Seedance AI model because we're going to be using Seedance. Then you scroll down to select your aspect ratio, select your duration, select your resolution, okay? Then you're going to select the output you want. If you want one video, you select one output. If you want 2 videos to be generated, select 2 videos. So I want one, and I selected one output. Now you tap on this generate, okay? And in less than a minute, your video would get generated. You're going to see one arrow that is facing down. You're going to tap on it to download the video into your phone. Now let's watch the video we generated.
Kindness is becoming so rare.
Let's create another video. Tap on home, okay? To open to the home session. So we're going to go back to the image creation. Okay, this is video creation, video translator, there's lip sync, product to video. Tap on image creation. Okay, it will load. You slide to your left, tap on image creation. You go to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. Okay, you know we're going to be creating the image first before we create the video. So you paste your image prompt, you scroll down, you select your aspect ratio, select your resolution, then you select your output. Okay, then you select your AI model. Of course, we're using Seedance to create our images and our video for this tutorial. Now you tap on generate, and in less than a minute your image would get generated, and you need to save it into your phone. You can move further by tapping on this create video. You see one create video icon down to animate the image into a video. So when you tap on this create video, this generate video is going to open into this interface. Okay, you are going to slide to your left as always. So you see this prompt, that's where you're going to be putting your dialogue. I don't want you to post only the dialogue. I want you to post both the animation prompts, camera angles, the emotions and dialogue. Post everything together so you have the perfect video. You have different camera angles, you have different emotions in your video, and your video will be very realistic. So once you paste the complete prompt, you scroll down, select your Seedance 2.0 as your AI model. You scroll down, select your aspect ratio, select your duration, you select your resolution, then you select your output. Okay, once you've selected all the necessary things you want to select, so you're going to tap on generate. Okay, you can use this AI platform to generate as long as 30-minute video. It has enough credits. So now you see your video is already generated, and in less than a minute your video is ready. Let's watch it.
Sir, are you all right? Thank you, my son.
Now you know how to use image creation. Let's use video generator. In case you already have your image, just go straight to that image generator. You see where they wrote upload frame, tap on it to upload the image you already have. So I'm going to be using an image I already have. I selected this from my photo library. It's going to load. Once the image loads, you're going to paste your dialogue in this prompts section. Okay, so in case you already have an image before and you don't want to create an image with this app, just go straight to the video generator. Straightforward. Add the image you have, paste your prompt, select your aspect ratio, select your duration, select your resolution, select the output, and just tap on generate to generate your video. And in less than a minute your video will get generated. If you look there, I know they do write in 5 minutes your video would be generated, but it takes less than a minute.
We make a good team.
Always. Please eat, sir. God bless you.
This platform gives you enough credits to generate up to 30-minute video. I generated about 6 different videos and over 10 images using this AI platform. Now you know how to create videos and images using Seedance, using Grok, using Clink AI model. Now you are a pro at creating videos. If you have any questions, do well to drop it in the comments and I'll do well to answer. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles!